Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Subject Information Technology Standard 11, presented by Talib Munshi, KMS English Medium Junior College. Chapter number 3, Impressive Web Designing with HTML5. Today I am going to cover following topics. First topic, how to create table in HTML5. My second topic is explain different attributes related to table tag. First, already we have seen that table is made up of rows and columns. A table in a web page is created by using table tag. With the help of table tag, table can be created in web page. It is a container tag. It is not singular tag, it is container tag, means when table tag is open, it must be closed. It is container tag, or you can call it as a pair tag. Tags and attributes used to create a table are as follows. There are many tags and attributes of that tag which is used under table tag. First one is table. It indicates creation of table. Then second one is caption. It is used to specify a table heading. It has align attributes which can have top or bottom as its value. Top the default value. In practical, I will explain you what is caption. Then tr tag. This tag is used to create each row of table. This tag is used to create each row of the table. Then th. It indicates table heading. Just listen. It indicates table heading. th is generally used for first row column content of table. In first row of the column, th tag is used. Table heading tag is used. It displays content in bold format. It can be replaced with td. td, it specifies data within the table. Cell content. It is cell content. Then attributes of table. First one is border. This attribute is required to display a border for the entire table. It has a numbered value. You can give number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If border attribute is not specified, if you not give border attribute, a table is created without the border for both table as well as columns. Border color. With the help of this attribute, you can give specific color to the border. Align. It aligns the table either to left, right or center. Whether your table in web page in center or right or left. This is align attribute of table tag. Then bg color sets the background color for the table. You can give background color also with the help of bg color. These are some attributes of table. Now see attributes of tr, th and td tag. First one is align. It aligns the text horizontally. The values are aligned to the left, right and center. Left, right or center. First one align common to tr, th or td. Tr for table row, table heading, table data or cell data. It has some attributes. Align. It aligns the text horizontally. The values are aligned to the left, right or center. Cospan. This attribute is used within tr or th. It creates a single column spanning across the table. It takes a numbered value based on number of columns to be spanned in a table. Then row span. This attribute is used within TD or TH. It creates a single row spanning across the table. It takes a numbered value based on number of rows to be spanned in a table. Today we learn first how to create table in HTML, then different attributes related to table. Next lecture we will see practical related to table. Thank you.